Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I did these rainbow ombre tips. So these are my previous nails, and many of you thought that I actually did this blue to purple ombre, but it is hair dye. So I'm using my nippers to take off all of the stones, and I'm going to be going in with this Mia Secret Fruity Nail Art collection, and I got this from Amazon, and these are the 5 colors that I'll be using in this set. And I'll also be using LongHiarPrettyNails Pixie Peach and clear acrylic. And I filed down my nails to make them pretty thin, but I filed the pinky and the ring finger too short, so I went ahead and just cut those down, and I'm going to reform the tips. So I'm using my Competitive Edge nail forms. I'll leave a link down to these below, and I'm just starting off with the clear acrylic, and I'm forming the tip of the nail. And I just like to do this because it gives me a guide. And I'm also working with design powders that aren't really built for strength. So this just gives the nail the extra strength that it needs. And I'm using my number 10 alpha brush. I will leave a link down below. So I'm going in with the Mia Secret ice cream color. And this is a beautiful, bright, very bright pink color. And I'm just going to use this to, form the tip of the nail. So these are design powders, but they're not as watery as other, colored powders. So, this was my first time using it. So, I'm just trying to get a feel for it. But it did kind of, work thicker than your usual design powder. So you don't have to work with them like super, super wet. So moving on to the ring fingernail, I'm just going to repeat the same thing, starting off with my clear base for the tip. And I'm going in with the citrus color, and it is a super bright neon yellow. It is so gorgeous. So yeah, I am very impressed with the quality of these colored acrylics from Mia Secret. They're super easy to work with, and you don't have to work with them super, super wet. And I also especially love that these aren't gritty. These are so smooth. You get a nice smooth application with them. So that's how you know that they are of quality. So I did pick these up from Amazon. I believe this set was about $26, I think. I will leave a link down below. All right, so for the middle finger, since I did not overfile this nail, I didn't have to rebuild it up. So I'm just gonna go in with the grape color at the tip, and this is just a beautiful purple. And for my index fingernail, I'm going in with the orange color, and it is a super bright orange. And it is just so pretty. I love all the colors in this set because they're so vibrant. Mia Secret does have other collections, like there's pastels and all different, you know, kind of colors, but I wanted to go for something really bright and appropriate for the spring. So I wanted some bright, juicy colors, and this is the perfect set. So for my thumbnail, I'm going in with the color Lemon, which kind of threw me off because it is like green, but you know, I get it. But yeah, this is a very bright neon green color, and it is just amazingly beautiful. Like, I just really love the intensity of these colors. They are just so bright in your face. Alright, so after I have laid down all of my tips, I'm going in with the Pixie Peach acrylic, and I'm just going to place that at my cuticle area and blend that downward to create a nice ombre. I try not to take the Pixie Peach too far down because I do want the colors to show through, so I do wipe the tip off so it's not covered up too much. And my other design is peeking through here, so if you guys are interested, I will leave a link down to these nails below. Alright, so once the acrylic has dried, I'm just going to go in with the clear acrylic and cap all the nails. Alright, so after all of the acrylic has dried, I'm going to go in and do my shaping and filing. So as always, I like to start off with my hand file, and I like to use a 100/180 grit nail file. And starting off with the 100 grit side, I like to shape the sides and the tip and smooth over the top, just to make that nice and smooth. And then once I'm done with all of the hand filing, I like to go in with my e-file around the cuticle area just to make sure that area is nice and sealed. So this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. And now I'm going in with the Poochie Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat. And we're just going to apply this to all of the nails. And this is where you can finally see how vivid these colors are. And because I believe my ombre could have been a lot better, I'm just going to camouflage it a little bit with some sparkly crystals and pearls. And I'm just going to use corresponding colors on each nail. So once all the crystals are in place, I'm just going to clean up any gel top coat on the sides, and I'm going to cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Finally, I'm applying cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. So perfect for spring. I love these bright colored ombre tips. They just look so fun, and I just love the bling as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to LongHiarPrettyNails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next one.